Good evening, dear children. Today we are going to begin with our talk series, Dear Class 2020. It's an attempt to address you, our dear ones. It's actually mandatory to devote some of our day schedule to analyze and have deeper understanding of the way of life, the purpose of life, and the best solution of the challenges being faced in life as a routine in the present circumstances. Besides academics and along with academics, if we indulge our mind to the positive and productive discussions, it gives a meaning to education also, and it becomes close to Vidya. If the meaning of Vidya is harmonious development, it is not possible without developing the power of concentration. You speak to any successful person of the world on the question of key to his success, the answer would always be practice, practice, and practice. Without practice, none can have the concentration, and without concentration, no perception is developed. And finally, no vision is clear. So, the only attempt to attain the success is the practice. And without concentration, nothing is possible. So, only attaining marks in the academics without deep understanding of the subject leads to nowhere. So, real achievement happens if, along with our efforts, deep understanding is also developed through regular practice of contemplation. A teacher only feels complacent when he or she is able to provide mandatory conditions for growth of a child, and that also with love, compassion, and respect. Our concern is to make you blossom with all potentials in joyful manner. If there is a pain, then be strong to get rid of the pain. If you overcome pain with your efforts, under the guidance of your well-wishers, maybe your parents, your teachers, elders, you will be flared up like a victorious. Beta, always remember, only the adoption of proper means during the trouble time makes you more competent, more confident, and it would extricate you from the problems. So be strong physically, mentally, and emotionally. Because once you are independent to take care of yourself, the job of parents, the job of teachers is considered as done. So what to do? How to be confident? How to get concentration? How to control on your mind? How to focus on your target? You always feel such kind of questions which are to be answered by the experts. It's generally observed, you people feel the trouble in concentration. You can't study for long hours. You can't control on your mind. You can't manage the time, manage the things for long. You learn and forget. Always remember, no cramming, no rote learning will stay for long. There is need of absorption of understanding there and then. And absorption happens once you have the skill of concentrating your mind and heart into the work that you have in your hands. How to do? It's a very simple question, but it needs a lot of practice. Very simple way of developing your concentration power. You might have listened from so many people. You might have listened from your elders, from your grandparents, that if you have belief, if you have trust in yourself, if you have trust in the Almighty, they support you. They support you without being visible even. And there is some form that if you sit for Upasana, sit for small prayer, 4 to 5 minutes only, out of 24 hours, you will feel the difference. It's a very simple thing, but very important. So, if you want to adopt your habits, if you want to develop your self-confidence, you start doing with Gayatri Mantra as a regular routine, at a regular place and a regular time, definite time period. You may start for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, especially before you start your study. If you do it, you will develop yourself into a person with enlightened spirits, full of self-confidence and strong enough to take any challenges throughout your life. Dear children, future of this mankind lies in your hands. Utilize the knowledge, the wisdom available and which is being transmitted to you through all your teachers, elders, parents, all your well-wishers. Stay out of danger. Don't forget, he who exposes himself to danger finds it. So don't go to danger. Avoid it. Avoid it the maximum that you can do. Take all the precautions. As I say, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Look out for number one, and that's you. And always stay safe and sound. If a problem has fallen upon you for any reason, keep on believing that you can come out of such situation. Belief is the mother of reality. What you believe becomes your truth. So believe in yourself, believe in the magic of this universe, believe in the Almighty, believe in the power of dreams, and believe in what our saints and sages have spoken all over the world ages. Believe in the ultimate reality. So always remember words of Swami Vivekananda for the youth. Arise, awake, and stop not till you achieve. Stay strong, stay safe. God bless.